Hi friends, good morning. My name is Achut and I am from Vizag. So today in this class, we will learn how to fill how to use fillers in Excel. So we have an option called fill. So how to do that fill in Excel, we will see in this video. So let us get into the class. So see here, let's zoom it. So I hope you can see the Excel clearly now. If not, I can increase the size of the sheet. Okay, yeah, that's enough. So this is the cell. This is the cell. This is the cell. So, for example, if you want to fill 1 to 10, you should drag like this and see. You can see, right? It has filled with spaces. It has filled with spaces and it is represented with the brown color. It is represented with the brown color. So I want a number to fill from 1 to 10. 1 to 10. What you have to do? See here, we are getting black symbol, right? So it is a drag option. You have to drag it like this. And see, we have get the all the cells with the same number, right? So this is the copying technique with fillers. This is the copying technique with the fillers. It's the copying technique with the fillers. But I want to fill 1 to 10 numbers, not 1. 1 to 10 numbers I want to fill. So what you have to do? Drag like this. But again, see, only all these numbers only getting. Only same number is only getting. But I want 1 to 10 numbers in each line I have to get. What should I do? I have to change this value. Change this value. Change this value. Change this value. Change to 2. And we need to select. So we have selected the 1 to 2, right? So from here onwards, we have to select 1 to 10. So then from 2 onwards, you have to drag like this. From 2 onwards, you have to drag like this. See, we have get the 1 to 10 values. I hope you understand why we are getting only 1 on each line. So you have to change the second value so that that pattern will be changed in that same way. This is how we can use the fillers. For example, if you want to fill 10,000, you want to fill the 10,000 numbers, but it is difficult, right? You have to drag like this. You have to drag like this. How many you have to drag? See, you have to drag like this. So for this, we have to go to the editing here. In the home, there will be editing. So in the home, we will be having editing. Smallest to shortest is. So we are having so we are having, see here we are having series, right? Here we are having series. So click on series, So where you have to go? You have to go to fill. See here we have the option called fill. Put the cursor on the fill option, put full icon, then you will get all these details. So click on this and you can click on series and we want column, right? This is the column and this is the row. So what is the column? This is the column. See, this is the column and this is the row. So this is the column, this is the row. So I want column, right? So that's why I have to go fill series from 1 to 100,000, 100,000 and click on OK. So I want columns. I want to start from 1 to 10,000. Sorry, 1 lakh. So 1 lakh. So click on OK. That's it. If you want to see the last number, press Ctrl plus down key arrow. You will get the 10,000. And if you want to go upside, press Ctrl up arrow. Ctrl plus up arrow and down arrow. That's it. You will get the sequence. You will get the sequence. And if you want to, what's the date today? 11.05.2024. Right? So if you want to drag it like this, we can change the dates also. We can change the date also. Why it's not changing? I hope you understand why it's not changing. Because you have to write two dates. Because we have to write two dates. 0.05, 0.2024, 12, 0.05, 0.2024. So from here onwards, we have to drag both the things and you have to drag like this. You have to drag like this. But it's not working, right? It's not working. So we are not getting right. So we will try another way. So like 11/5/2024. So we will do like this and come to the next slide and drag it. See, now it's working. Now it's working. So you can see it's now it's working. So it's going to the next month also. See, it's going to the next month. It's going to the next month. So Excel knows to change the next month also. Knows the dates. Knows the dates. Knows the dates. And if you want to fill like this also, you can fill. And 4. So what's the difference? 2, right? 4, right? So difference between 2 and 4 means 2. So each time the difference will be that one. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. So you can use anything but the fillers. And for example, if you write hello, or write Iron Man, plus 1, and Iron Man 2. See, now the Iron Man is constant, but the numbers will be changed. See, the numbers will be changed. You'll get the same text, but numbers will be changed by using these filters. So this is how we can use filters in different ways. So if you find this video is helpful for you, please like the video and please share to your friends so that they can be a benefit from this video, and please subscribe to my channel and please ring the bell icon. Then only you'll get the notification whenever I upload videos in YouTube, or otherwise you'll not get the notification. Thank you friends. Jai Hind.